I have an EMC motor in my Tempstar air handler. It will start to rotate and then stop over and over. I replaced the motor, same problem. Check the voltages, all are correct. Any ideas?
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
Yes, check the thermostat and the filter has been replaced.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I have had an HVAC person look at the unit and he was unable to isolate the issue. I have over 30 years of electrical and electronic exp. I should be able to handle it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Because the fan does not come up to speed, the system will begin to ice up.
If motor was replaced with a new one programmed for the air handler, issue has to be in the control board.
This unit does not have a control board.
What is model on unit? I have never seen an ECM that was not controlled by a board.
The unit is a Tempstar FXM4X4200AT. The IC motor is in Broad Ocean Kunsa 013CO2 half a horsepower.
Let me see if I have a manual and if I see anything that could be causing the issue. Found my troubleshooting guide. The rocking back and forth appears to be normal. But of course the stopping is not. Let's grab your meter and do some troubleshooting.
We will start by checking for proper high voltage and ground at the L, G, and N connections at the motor.
Is there a way I can contact you back tomorrow?
Just come back to this site and reply here. I am sending you a link to manual 2. See page 5 for troubleshooting motor http://www.uccs/docs/1011/public/01/49608800102.pdf.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.